First, let me tell you something. Most of the tutorials for this song that you will find elsewhere use bar chords like this. Okay? But that's a problem, you know. It makes it really hard to play when it's off in full. You will get exhausted, and clean notes are much harder to get using bar chords. But do not panic. I'm going to show you a way to play this song in a much easier way. The secret, this wonderful thing called the capo. So after tuning our guitar, what we're going to do is placing our capo on the first fret, okay? So right here. And we make sure that it sounds good. By the way, this is a G7 capo, which is awesome. You know, the design is wonderful. And the sound is really good. Once we have our capo in place, we will only need 3 fingers to play this song and 2 chord shapes. So 3 fingers, and the fingers are our index, our middle, and our ring finger. And we're going to use 2 chord shapes. So the song is pretty easy to play. The chord shape that we're going to use throughout the song is this one. Okay? And we're going to change it to several places. The same. Okay? I'll show you exactly how to play. So this is one chord shape. It's not even a chord, okay? And then the other chord shape that we're going to use is the most difficult chord shape that you will learn in your life. Are you ready? So let's, let's practice and move our fingers and relax our hands, because we're going to play a very difficult chord, okay? I'm kidding. So you're going to place your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, okay? And that's all. Ain't that difficult? Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some musical theory about this song. We are gonna play, we're gonna start in the... Okay, we're gonna start with a B minor shape. So it's not a chord, the original chord would be this. This would be with B minor. I don't know what Google is doing. Okay, so we have our B minor, but we're going to take only 3 notes. So we're going to place our index finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, okay? And now we're going to put our middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, this one. Okay, and the last one is our ring finger. It's going to go to the 4th fret in the 4th string. Okay, so and now we're going to play. I hope that you see it well. And now we're going to play only these strings. So we're going to play the 5th, the 4th, and the 2nd. Okay. So, and you can do this with your fingers, with your thumb. You can play the last string, and then with your index finger and your right hand, you can play the 4th string, and then with your middle finger, you can play your 2nd string. So. And you can place this finger on these strings, okay, and start practicing. Okay, so this is the first chord, and then we go to a G, okay. We could do this G this way or this way. But we're going to choose some specific strings. So what we're going to do is this shape that we did here. Oh, sorry. this shape, we're gonna take it, we're gonna slide it 1 fret, okay, and we're gonna take it 1 string up, okay. I'm going to repeat that. So we go from here, we slide it, okay, and we take it up, and we practice. And now we're gonna play only the strings in which I have a finger applied to, okay. So we're gonna play our 6th string, our 5th string, and our 3rd, okay. So that it's very similar to what we did before, but we're gonna do this. And from now on, we'll keep with these fingers in our right hand. So we'll play 2 more chords with this hand, okay? And now from G, we're going to go to E minor, 7th, we could say. And for that, it's very easy. I mean, you take these 2 fingers, the victory fingers, you take them out, and then you bring your ring finger to the 2nd string, to the 2nd fret, sorry. And you play, you see, the same string. So we come from here, it's very easy. And then we're going back to the G, sorry. And the final chord of this riff is we're gonna take this shape, this very shape, and we're gonna slide it 2 frets, okay? So we are from here, from our G, and we're gonna make an A. It's very easy, okay? So we come from here, we do this, and then all the way down. And that A, it's the original, the regular A chord is this one. But since we are doing something special, we are placing our, we're doing it this way, okay? So I'm going to repeat, we come from the G, and then we slide it 2 frets. And then we go back to our B minor, okay? So I'm going to play the whole sequence with you in a very slow way, okay? We take the same shape and we take it 1 up and 1 left. No, right. And we change our chords here. We go to the E minor. We keep playing the same strings here. And then when you go from the G, that's very beautiful, and that gives the song a strong personality. What we do when we go from G to A is we do this, okay? I don't know what's the English name for that, okay? But we slide it, and then we slide it after playing the 6th string, okay? Okay? And then we do the rest of the arpeggio. So I'm gonna do it for you a whole time. And you know, regarding rhythm, it's a 4/4 rhythm, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, I cannot do that. Okay, so but the thing is that you kind of mute the chords, the string, and wait for another beat. Okay, so see, you can practice this. So the thing is that this chord is gonna start in this shape, okay? And that's all. That's how this song is played. If you want to do some rhythm, or you have a friend who can play rhythmic guitar, you can do this, okay? You can come from here. To our G, to a D minor, E minor. I'm going to repeat it, okay? And that's all. So thank you for following this tutorial. And that's a wrap. Tell me if in the comments if you found this tutorial is for you. At the end of this video, we're going to make a practice session in which we will try different speeds. You're going to learn this song really fast. But before that, I have to make true to my promise of showing you how to play this song with your friends and have a lot of fun. Let's go for it. And now let's have some fun. How can we play this song with some of your friends? Well, and what if they don't want to learn this song? Well, one of you can do our fingerstyle thing, for example. One of you can play more common chords that we all know. And what about your friends who cannot play the guitar? Well, one of them will do this. Then we just need someone who can rap, you know? So practice this song and have a lot of fun with your friends. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so now the practice session. What we're going to do here is I'm going to try to help you learn and master this song, this track very fast. So what we will do is practice what I have shown you in this tutorial in different speeds. I'm going to use a metronome map by Soundbrenner, which I think it's gorgeous. And first we're going to play the track in 8 beats per minute, okay? This is 8 beats per minute. And we're going to do 4 measures maybe. Okay, let's start. Repeat it. Try to make this stop when you with each of the chords, okay? We're gonna do it again. It's easy. Once you have this shape, now we go to E. last time. We're going to do a last time. So it may help you to do this, to tap with your feet on the ground with the rhythm of the metronome, and that way you incorporate the rhythm in your body. So that makes it much easier to play in rhythm. Okay. Okay, let's do a final round in 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry, I started when I shouldn't. 1, 3, 4. And that's all. That's a wrap. So now we're going to change the speed to the original speed for the track, which is 109. BPM. Yeah, that's faster. Okay, and we're gonna do 4 times this chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it with me. Third time. Fourth time. Look how I try to go to the next chord now to advance my playing. And a final time. Okay, so have fun with this song and go to this tutorial once and again to master the song. It's a very good track. Thank you.